Hello, hello! If you're first time here, nice to meet you. My name is Vivian. I make a lot of Chinese food here because I'm originally from China, Sichuan, Chengdu. And today I make something special, one of my favorite breakfasts. It's Chinese steamed buns, but Sichuan style. So the filling is pre-cooked with fermented black pickles. You need a steamer, this giant steamer. Today we use this. Stay with me. In the end, I'm going to show you how fluffy this bun is and how to eat this properly. Let's get this started. The filling for the buns today is 芽菜. So these are fermented pickles we use in Sichuan cooking a lot. They usually come in a bag like this. This is already chopped up. Also, I'm adding some bamboo, some texture, some crunchiness in the filling as well. I got them in a bag. They are frozen because I can't get fresh ones. Where? Now we chop the bamboo first in very small pieces. I can still chopping while I'm looking at you. If you don't have bamboo, you can use zucchini or you can add some mushrooms too. Now use 2 hands so you don't cut your fingers. Start the fire. My favorite canola oil. Here's 1 pound ground pork. The oil is hot. Yeah. I always try to break them small. When the pork color turns, now we add 芽菜. Then we add some cooking wine. Here are bamboo. The 芽菜 tastes already salty enough. I don't add any soy sauce. Add some sugar to balance. So now I take the filling out, put it in the fridge to cool it down so it's easier to wrap in the buns. First, we're gonna get this 1.5 teaspoon yeast. Then we add some sugar. Warm water, 1 cup. Let's mix this. Let it rest. Let it sleep until we see bubbles. Then we can start making the dough. Alright, let's put on the side. I'll talk to you. Get 500 grams all-purpose flour. Right here. We make a little well in the middle, bubbly. They are ready. Jump in here. Then we pour this in the middle. We start mixing. Now we got about 50 ml water on the side. Just adjust it. About 1/4 cup. Little bit and see. You don't want to be too wet. Just watch. Just watch your dough. Here is another secret ingredient. Lard. Yeah. So in Sichuan cuisine, we use lard a lot. You get in cup foods or fancy one like this one. Says premium cooking oil. This one, so I made this from pork belly. Just need about 4 tablespoons. Let's get this melted. Melting. It's melting in the microwave. This delicious fat. We need the dough about 10 minutes. Make it very stretchy. Get more exercise in here. Now, look at this. It's really soft. Some more flour. We just knead the dough for a few more minutes. Find a bowl, brush some canola oil. And place the baby inside here. Find a cheesecloth or a damp cloth. Cover this. Put it on the side for a couple hours until you see this double in size. Let's check the dough. Double the size and punch it down. A damp cloth we put on the side for another 15 minutes. Now we're back. We're ready for the bun. Now flour the surface where you're gonna roll the dough. Ready to cut this? We divide this in 4 pieces. Okay. So for this one, we make like a little long sausage. Just roll this out. So if you want to make like a snack size buns for my kids, I will divide this each one 1 ounce. You make a bigger buns, you divide them each one 2 ounces. Like that. Hiding them under the cloth and start with 1. Just press down. Just like I make my dumpling wrapper, this is just a lot thicker. Usually the outside is thinner than the inner center. It's much thicker. While you're turning, you roll the edges thin. Like this, rotate. While I'm rolling, rotate and rolling, rotate and rolling. If you cook Chinese food a lot, now you don't need to go to the gym. Now we wrap in the bun. We take a scoop of filling, just press it. And we start folding the top, making some folds and then rotate. Fold and rotate, fold and rotate. When we finish folding, you will see actually a little hole in the middle. You got your nice folds and little hole in the middle. Like that. I use the wax paper, cut little square each bun so the bun won't stick to the steamer. This. Put the wax paper first and put bun on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buns. damp cloth on here, put the buns on the side for another 15 minutes. Now boil some hot water. Then we put a steamer on top. 8 to 10 minutes. If you're making bigger buns, that needs a little longer, maybe around 12 minutes. Just check. On high heat, high flame. Now it's time. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, can't wait to try this. Look at that. Let's open this. It's hot. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to try this. The bun is so fluffy. And taste the bamboo and pork. And it's so crunchy. If you like the recipe, smash the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time.